Hi guys, welcome. We've just seen the match between Mumbai Indians and Kings XI Punjab. Again, one of those matches where the batting team has completely dominated the game. I have with me Rian here. He's a Mumbai supporter. Hi Rian. Let's jump right into it. Let's talk about the first innings. Rian, what do you think about the first innings?
The first innings in the start, Mumbai were a little slow considering the two dismissals which went earlier on. Even Dickov was quite out of touch. He should have anticipated the swing. Cottrell bowled really well in his defense, but then again, he should have anticipated it. Rohit Sharma, on the other hand, paced his innings really well. He got going when it was just required. Till the 13th over, they were pretty slow, but then they just scored 100, 110 runs in the last 7, 8 overs. Then, what to say about Pollard? Pollard is in amazing form right from CPL to last match, where he scored a good 60 runs. And this
24.
match, he scored 24 runs.
24
60 of 24 balls.
Sorry, 60 or 24 balls. Yeah, exactly. So amazing touch. And today also you all saw his hitting prowess, along with Hardik Pandya. Take no credit away from him. And then again, there was a couple of ups and downs. Like Surya Kumar Yadav got out. Unfortunately, there was a very good throw from Shami, and Ishan Kishan. Not his day today, but still gives good batting depth to Mumbai, which allowed them to score around 190, which is a pretty good total on this pitch.
Correct.
I think they paced the innings well.
And over to the bowling. I think there are a few mistakes KL Rahul made with his bowlers. Let's break it down. I have the stats right here with me. So if you look at it, I think Shami bowled very well, even though his economies of 19, the last over really skewed those numbers. Similar thing with Bishnoi also. Pollard went and hit them very bad. All credit to the Mumbai batsmen. There was some really strong power hitting. Cottrell bowled very well, but I still feel it was a mistake bowling him out in the middle. I know that he's just been hit for 30 runs, but you still back your best bowlers. And giving the last over to Gautam was never going to work. You would never want to bowl a spinner in your death, especially to a person like Pollard. They made the same mistake that RCB made last game. And he got hit for like 4 sixes, got 25, 26 runs. And I don't think so that was good captaincy. He should have showed more faith in his bowlers. And Cottrell is a very good bowler. You should keep his overs. And they probably could have gotten a few overs out of Maxwell, I feel, in the middle. But overall, I would say the bowling was not bad, but not great also. Like the depth was not good. They should have bowled more Yorkers, but still, I would say it was more of KL Rahul using his bowlers. That's where they went wrong. Now let's move to the second innings. Akshat, what do you think of the second innings?
First, I would like to mention the toss. Even in our preview, it said that the team batting first is most likely to win. But again, we saw that the team winning the toss chose to bowl. Reason being a dew, or they might be backing themselves, but these are different conditions. And knowing that you're going to chase a huge target against Mumbai Indians bowlers like Bolt, Bumrah, Rahul Chahar, that can be intimidating. But I would still say compliment goes to Rohit Sharma. He played a very impressive knock. He paced his innings well. Moving on to the Punjab batsman, Mayank Agarwal provided a solid start in the power play, playing his aggressive role, which he has done in this IPL, with KL Rahul being the person who will carry on his bat. But then after that, we just saw KL Rahul fell, Mayank Agarwal fell in the power play itself, and then the middle order, it was exposed. Karunar went for a duck. Karunar hasn't performed in this IPL, has got a few chances. When Pooran was batting, I thought there was a slight ray of hope for Punjab still. It looked like it was his day today. Unfortunately, he couldn't finish it for his team. I feel Sarfaraz Khan has been studied a lot by the teams. Just like Sunil Narayan, teams know to bowl short to Sunil Narayan. Sarfaraz Khan's main shots versus a pace are fine, like third man. 50% of those shots are in that region.
Correct.
So Rohit Sharma, excellent captaincy by placing Trent Bolt, an extreme fine leg. But the game was lost when the middle order collapsed. So nothing much even Sarfaraz or Nisham could do.
Correct. We spoke about them. Like Punjab's top order is what kept them going in this first three matches. The top three were playing phenomenally, and eventually the law of averages would catch up, and we had to see the middle order. The middle orders is actually good players. Nisham can bat, Maxwell can bat, Puram can bat, Sarfaraz looks promising. But it's just that
even Karunar,
correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So middle order is not a bad middle order, but it's just that the top order has been playing so much that they barely get a chance to even prove themselves. So it's a good thing that I feel like the top order failed. So it's a good reality check they've got before, like in the fourth match itself, before it's too late. Rian, what are your
Definitely, yes. I think they were heavily reliant on the two openers only. Then again, they should have tested the middle order once or twice, But the matches were such where it didn't happen for them, and good enough. Like at least this will give them a reality check. This is just the beginning of the tournament, and they'll learn. They'll know where to improve on. Puran again, he was pretty good. People have been saying Gale should be replaced in place of him, but he just said no, and he proved them that he is a good player, though he didn't have support at that point of time. And I think going ahead in the tournament, they will look to add another bowling option in place of maybe Maxwell, maybe not, but in place of Sarfaraz Khan, definitely. I think that's what I think. I think Punjab will do good in the tournament considering they make a few tweaks in their squad.
We didn't talk
Do you
about
think they can? Do you think they can add players like Mandeep Singh, Deepak Hooda, who are like waiting on the bench?
Definitely. Mandeep Singh and Deepak Hooda have been two prolific batsmen. Deepak Hooda has been a part of Rajasthan for quite a while, and he performed really well. He impressed me a lot. And Deepak Hooda also adds a spinning option, though they already have 6 bowlers, if I'm not wrong, Maxwell being there. But that does add a good batting depth. And Mandeep Singh again, he's played for Bangalore for quite a while, and this season in Punjab, hopefully he'll do wonders if he gets a chance to play.
One thing we didn't talk about is Mumbai bowlers. They were phenomenal, I would say. Like we talked about
Definitely.
his touch or something, and then he just proved us wrong. He's just like no, and he came bowled so well, absolutely brilliant, I would say. And similarly with all the bowlers, I think with the exception of Trent Bolt, he had a bad day today. But all the other bowlers in the form of Krunal and Chahar, right?
Bumrah. It was really fascinating to see Bumrah and Krunal Pandya come into form. Krunal Pandya hasn't had a good season with the ball, and then now pitching into good overs at the beginning, getting one crucial wicket in the start, and then Bumrah. What to say? He got the main dismissal of Mayank, and he's just proved to the world that yes, he's one of the best, if not the best. Yes.
Ronald bowled 4 overs today. Finally, he's bowled his quota. And also Rahul Chair has to be mentioned. Rahul Chair can be a possible inclusion in the Indian cricket team in the future with the kind of bowling he got.
Definitely, yes.
The Indian captain in the previous game. Even tonight, he was pretty economical. Teams are finding it tough to score against him. And Rohit Sharma has been using him very, very, very intelligently. So credit to both of them.
What a ball to KL Rahul. Though KL Rahul played an unorthodox shot, but really good, bowling him line to line, stump to stump, and just the variation of pace got.
It was a good match for Mumbai Indians supporters. A lot of positives. We see the classic Mumbai Indians come back, good batting, good bowling, and a few things to look at for Punjab again, the middle order, and maybe a little bit of their death bowling, maybe using their bowling option. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you, Rian, for coming. Hope we have you soon.
Always. Pleasure to be on your show.
Okay, bye. Thank you.